Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining back on here on my YouTube channel. My name is Jacob Tijani, but just call me JT because you know we like best buddies, so you don't have to be so formal. Just call me JT. If today's your first time of stumbling into my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Please do not forget to hit that bell button so you can be notified when I do upload videos. Please do. Today, I know you guys can tell from the title, I am going to be reviewing and first impression of the Marc Jacob Shameless Foundation. So I got this in the mail about, I want to say a week or so ago, and I haven't gotten a chance to use it, try it, or even record with it. So I thought today that I should do that. I am on their PR list, so this is a PR package, and that's why it looks like this. So when you do buy it in the store, it doesn't come like this. I believe it comes in like a white box. PR box just says Shameless on there, and then open it up. It has, you know, they sent me 3 shades, and it comes with a foundation brush and this cards right here. So the Marc Jacob Shameless Foundation comes in 29 different shades. I remember when they sent me an email to pick my shades, I was told not to say anything about it, and I was told not to take, you know, a screenshot of it or say anything about it in general until, you know, they were ready to announce the foundation. So I was just told to look at the look at all the pictures and then pick 3 shades that looks very close to my own complexion. So based on the picture, I chose, let me just get it out, I chose Y480, R490, and Y500. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It comes in this cute little tube. I've never seen any foundation like this before, so I think this is very cute and unique and very compact. You can definitely travel with this, and it's also plastic, so if you're very clumsy like I am, you won't be breaking anything with this foundation. I've never tried it before, like I said. It's just been sitting in here in my beauty room, so today I'm going to be trying it on for the first time. Oh, I actually did not read this back card that they sent to me. It says, due to the overwhelming demand for Shameless Foundation, you may have received an alternative shade in your custom gift box. We make sure to send you the closest shade possible. If none of this shade works for you, please let us know, and we are happy to help. So okay, so let's hope it works. If it doesn't, then I'm just gonna email them and just let them know. My brows and my eyes off camera, since today is just gonna be about foundation. So let's just jump right into it. I'm just gonna prep my skin just the same way I normally do with any you know, type of foundation. Nothing special. Makeup Forever Step 1. You guys know that's the primer that I use. On the card right here, it says, introducing Shameless Youthful Look 24-hour foundation with SPF 25. And then it claims that it gives you a self-setting finish. It says it is invisible SPF innovation. It's youthful and it's only better. I actually don't remember the shades that I asked for, so I'm just gonna swatch this 3 and see if they work for me. This is 480, like I said. And this is 490. The first shade is 10, Y480. The second one is 10, R490. And then the last one, which is right up here, Deep, Y500. 480 looks like it could work for me because I don't have a yellow undertone. But I feel like it might be too light, just a tad too light. I think I'm not sure. I'll feel much more comfortable if I mix, you know, maybe the 480 and 490 together. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm just gonna leave that there and just mix it in together. So I'm going to use the brush that is sent with it, and just try and see what it looks like. I'm not going to be using that brush. I'm just gonna use the brush that I know works for me. This is 480 and 490 mixed together, and well, I think I can build it up, so I'm just adding one more. This is my second layer. This is the foundation once it's applied. It definitely feels very lightweight on my skin. I feel like I can still see my skin, you know, see through. I have a little spot right there, and that's still showing. Even after adding the second layer, I can still see it. That's what I'm thinking. I don't think it's medium coverage. This is a very light coverage. I can like still see it. This feels like one of those foundations that you can wear to work, or you know, on a day you're not really going and you don't want to be too glam. But I'm gonna move on with the rest of my face and just see how it looks after applying the rest of my face. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer, and this is the shade C11. I'm gonna set my under eye using the banana powder. So because I have oily skin, I'm not going to go with the old self-setting thing, because I can still see like it looks, you know, wet or like dewy on my skin. So I'm definitely going to be setting it. I can't. I'm going to be using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark. Alright though, so this completes the look. To be quite honest with you, when I was applying the foundation, I wasn't thinking too much of it. I was just like, any other foundation, to be honest. I just saw it as, you know, as a regular foundation, mainly because I love a full coverage foundation. I understand, but people always tell me that, Joker, you do not need a full coverage foundation because I don't really have blemishes on my face, but I just love the look of a full coverage foundation. So when I was applying this, I was like, not really for me. But to be honest, after doing everything, my concealer and the powder, you guys saw how I applied the powder. I didn't put too much, so I'm not thinking the powder played a role in what my face looked like overall. I still feel like it's the foundation. I really do genuinely love how it turned out. Like, it looks like it's a full coverage foundation, yet I can still see my skin through. Not only that, it feels super lightweight. Like, it doesn't feel like I have foundation on my face. It almost reminds me of Fenty Beauty foundation, but this feels much more lighter than Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. It looks really good. You guys can see from that clip, like, it looks really good. And I think what's blowing me away is the fact that when I was applying it, like I said, it looked like there was no way this was gonna give me a full coverage, because like I said, I love a full coverage foundation, and I just felt like it wasn't gonna do anything, but I really genuinely love how it looks on screen, and in person I love how it looks. So I don't know what magic they put in here. Another thing that threw me off when I was reading the back of this said, Shameless Youthful Look 24-hour foundation, apply 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply at least every 2 hours. So at first I was like, why will I need to be applying my foundation every 2 hours? Anybody got time for that? I got 3 kids. I need to do my face before leaving the house, and that's it. But I think what this applies to, if you're using it as a sunscreen, so I would think that's what it's for. But I wouldn't even use this as a sunscreen. looking at myself in the monitor, I'm so sorry. But I really do love how the foundation feels on my skin. I love how it's wearing. I love how it looks. I love how it looks, not only how it feels. I love how it looks, you know, on camera and in person. Now I wish I used just the Y480 just so I can see if, you know, one color matched me perfectly. So the next time I use it, I'm gonna try to use, so the next time I use this, I'm gonna try to use just a 480 on its own, just to see if it's gonna give me this flawless color. If you're wondering, for Match Master I use 7.5, and for MAC Studio Fix Fluid I use NC50. So I'm really feeling myself how this turned out. I don't know if it's the eyes, it's the hair. I don't know if it's the eyes, if it's the hair, or if it's the face itself, like, you know, the foundation itself. But I love how it turned out. Like, everything matches. My face matched my hand, my neck, my chest. Yeah, I love this foundation. Yes, I do. I love it. But the hair that I'm rocking in this tutorial is from Klaiyi hair, and it's their Jerry curls. I made this unit myself. The frontal came pre-plugged. I've told you guys many times that I do not know how to plug frontals, so the fact that this frontal came like this and I'm able to work it like that, I'm so happy. But the hair is 22 inches, 20, 18, 16, and a 16-inch frontal, and it's one of those wide, I don't know the number, I think it's 13 by 5, one of those wide frontals, not the skinny ones. I've gotten some skinny ones before, but this is one of those wide, the big ones, so I really appreciate that. The hair does shed a little bit, nothing too crazy. It's curly hair, all hair sheds, to be quite honest, so I'm not too bothered with that. But I'm gonna stop rambling because I feel like I've been talking for a long time, and I'm at the same time trying to talk low because my baby is sleeping, so I'm not trying to wake him up right now. I got stuff to do. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do try the foundation and you like it, do let me know. I definitely, and also let me know what do you think of the color on me. Does this look like the best match foundation that I've ever tried? Because I feel like this is like to a T. Like, I know all of my other foundations look nice, but this looks extraordinarily like my skin, and that's really how it feels. It feels like my skin. I don't feel like I have foundation on. I don't feel like I have foundation, powder, concealer on. Like, that's what's up. Thank you for watching as always, dolls. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.